Excited for your first day?
Yes. And then they're excited to go to school today. So we have to go this way.
This way?
Okay. Because we are walking this way. Quickly, Naomi. I'm going to school. Yeah, my grandma and papa and my mommy gonna take me to school. Okay? You're going to my Yeah. You're going to my school. Whoa. Run.
Jenna, come and take the pass quickly.
I bought my bag.
Come.
Look at my Auntie Rachel, look at my bag.
Jenna, you look handsome, baby.
Look at my bag. Run! Yeah. I'm going to school.
Nice.
My sister says I go Ironman. Yeah.
Every time you couldn't see that, it's the
Come on,
same.
take this.
It's the same identical reaction. Every time they see each other. No, he's preschool, she's preschool.
You guys excited to start school today?
Yeah.
So you heard it here first. Jaden and Naomi first in school. They're both excited to start.
This is me at my first class at kindergarten. This is me and my grandma and my papa and Dayden and me. This is me and Dayden. He's my best friend. These are my parents, me and my mommy and my daddy. Please subscribe to Naomi too.